Now the horizontal axis title is missing. So what I do, I'll include the axis title. The moment I click the axis titles placeholders are available. I will now put it as scissors. Okay, I will select, I'll make it bold, I will increase, this is too much. I will be making it as colored by light. And here it is the percentages, it should be good enough. Okay, and if I want, I can include chart boundary, and this is outside boundary, legend is there. So we have all these things, right? Now we have the crimes broken down by seasons by arrest. So number of crimes that were percentage of crimes that turned out to be an arrest broken down by seasons. And if I want, I can just here I can just start with this chart, this Control X, and I have another tab in this sheet which is final chart. I can place it. I already have a chart here, so I can place this at the bottom and I can put Control V, put it here. So that's how it looks like now. This is how it looks. That's all I have in this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.